Hey, it's Raleigh here from ServeScape. I wanted to show you all this amazing calicarpa, this beautyberry that I saw on my walk with my sweet dog. Look how amazingly purple these fruits are. It is middle of September and they're coming into fruit, and these fruit will hang on for a good few weeks to a month, and the birds absolutely will love them. And if I remember correctly, these berries used to be used for dyes. But amazing. I would not be surprised to find a bird munching on these beautiful purple berries. Calicarpa native to this part of the world, this part of the country. So with this calicarpa, I would use it on a woodland edge, kind of a part shade to part sun situation, kind of easing that transition between maybe your backyard woodlands and kind of a more manicured area. Available on ServeScape. Perfect for a Georgia backyard.